I'm Andrew Duncan, the Salesforce Administrator here at Northumbrian Water. So Northumbrian Water is a water and sewage undertaker. We're located in Durham in the northeast of England. We provide fresh water and wastewater services to customers across the northeast region. Prior to Salesforce, our customers needed to apply with us manually. They would need to download an application form and either send it in via the post or send it in by email. Our internal teams then needed to manually input that information into multiple corporate systems in order to produce a quotation for a customer. It was time consuming and costly, and it also meant that we weren't able to spend that value add time that we wanted to with our customers to give them the best experience possible. Salesforce is the #1 world leading CRM, and it's renowned for its unified approach to data, security, customization and automation capabilities, which is everything that NWG sought to leverage to enhance our customer offering. This project was then born from the discovery piece conducted by Salesforce at the annual NWG Innovation Festival. Salesforce hosted a week-long sprint primarily focused on the developer services journey, which also highlighted the lack of digitization and the lack of self-service for our customers. Following a procurement exercise, Bluewave was successfully awarded the tender for the initial MVP, thanks to their extensive network of certified professionals, including developers, architects and consultants. With Bluewave support, we were able to build and deploy an MVP solution combining a customer-facing online application portal and a back-end CRM system from the ground up in just over 6 months, a phenomenal achievement. It was a seamless blend and an excellent use of Experience Cloud in conjunction with Service Cloud. Bluewave are a Platinum Salesforce implementation partner and are specialists in their field. Their knowledge of Salesforce and agile project delivery is second to none. We have worked with a mixture of Salesforce consultants and architects, and each one has blown our expectations out the water each time. Bluewave's delivery model is built around a lean, high-performing team of specialists with a deep expertise in Salesforce, agile project delivery, and business analysis. Each solution architect or senior Salesforce consultant brings a wealth of experience gained from previous engagements, which they leverage to support NWG in effectively translating business requirements into strategic solutions. This concentrated expertise enables NWG to manage costs effectively while continuing to derive tangible value in every sprint. Bluewave's flexible resourcing model supports a high level of agility. They can rapidly scale their team or bring in niche expertise as required. DMEX is a regulatory metric which measures the developer measure of experience for customers with Northumbrian Water. Implementing Salesforce with Bluewave's help has not only helped Northumbrian Water to improve our DMEX scores and position in the league table, it has also helped us to ensure that we're providing a better level of service to all of our customers. Wherever possible, Bluewave have constructed new features and functions in a front-facing manner, meaning that it's easy for us to maintain in-house, increasing the self-service ability for NWL, reducing additional costs that we'd need to spend on maintenance, and ensuring that we're set up for success in an ever-changing costs and DMEX Ofwat landscape. Not only is this NWL's first foray into Salesforce, but it's also one of our first true agile projects, where we deliver in fast incremental sprints, usually involving an MVP solution, which is then built up over additions to form the final version. Bluewave have been able to adapt to our approach and lead from the front, ensuring that we continue to deliver at an incredible pace. We're now partway through an extensive 3 to 5 year roadmap with Bluewave supporting us all the way. As the project's developed, we've also been looking at other areas where Bluewave can help us within the developer services journeys. One of these areas was the site detail card process that was previously carried out in a very manual and labour-intensive way. Now with Bluewave and Salesforce's help, we've been able to digitise the site detail card process by implementing the Salesforce field service. The field service implementation allows our technicians in the field to seamlessly communicate with the developer services team. This can also then flow directly back to customers with our use of Experience Cloud. Bluewave are on hand 24/7 to help me to support and introduce enhancements and fixes wherever necessary to ensure that we're continuing to provide an industry-leading service for not only our customers but also our team members. I can't recommend Bluewave enough. Thanks to their knowledge of Salesforce, their expertise, their use of agile project delivery, their Bluewave way, without which of all of that we wouldn't have been able to succeed on time and on budget. Thank you so much.